Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. I have another game day recipe for y'all. Today's video will be sweet heat buffalo style wings. We have our chicken wings here. We'll be using ground black pepper, salt, Cajun season, and cayenne pepper to season our chicken. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, click the bell, set post notifications to all. That way you'll be notified when I upload a video. Like and comment on the videos. Let's get into this video. Alright, so we're going to kick it off with salt. Then we're going to move right along to the black pepper. And after the black pepper, we're going to start with our Cajun seasoning. And then we're going to give our wings a flip here. Then we're going to go back with the same seasoning. Salt, black pepper, and Cajun seasoning. Then we will add a little cayenne pepper at the end. I hope you guys enjoy these game day recipes. All my game day recipes will be quick, easy, and simple, and straight to the point. And don't forget, this will be sweet heat buffalo style wings. And here I am adding the cayenne pepper. And then I will give the chicken wings a mix. I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up. I hope y'all ready. Here that close-up is of our seasoned chicken wings. And also I went in with the same seasoning for the flour that you will see right here. It's time to drop the wings in our deep fryer. I have the deep fryer set at 340 degrees. And we're gonna fry them 8 to 10 minutes until they're golden brown and crispy. So crew, I checked my wings at the halfway mark, and here goes a look at the wings. Then I dropped them back in. And I fried them for another 5 minutes, and they came out real crispy. And I'm about to give y'all that famous close-up. I hope y'all ready. Here go that close-up. Look how delicious they look. Some beautiful wings right there. Alright crew, for the sauce we're going to use 2 tablespoons of butter, Frank's Red Hot wing sauce, some honey, and we also going to go in with 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And that'll be our sauce for our sweet heat buffalo style wings. And here's a close-up of our sauce. And we about to drop the wings in that sauce and let them get nice and juicy and wet with that goodness of that sauce. Check out that famous close-up of the wings. Yes, Lord. And when I put the wings on the plate, I added the sauce that was left over from the pan on top of the wings. And here's that famous close-up. I hope y'all enjoyed my game day recipe and my take on sweet heat buffalo style wings. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. Like and comment on the videos. And y'all already know the saying, pops out. Peace.